But before that, let us look at the solutions to worksheet 3. I had shared the worksheet in my previous video. Those of you who have not seen the previous video, I request you to go and see that video first before seeing this one. Question 1 was, write the numerals in the place value table. The first one, 4 10,000, 5 thousands, 3 hundreds, 0 tens, 8 ones. So let us put the place value table here. The first number here is 4 10,000. So under 10,000 we will write 4. 5 thousands. So under 1000 we will write 5. 3 hundreds. Under hundreds we will write 3. 0 tens. Under tens column we will write 0. 8 ones. Under ones column we will write 8. When we are using the place value table, it does not make much difference whether you start from right or left. But in case you are not using the place value table and you are converting into a number, it is always advised to start from right. The second one, 8 10,000. Under 10,000 column we will write 8. 0 thousands, thousands column 0. 0 hundreds, hundreds column 0. 9 tens, under tens column 9. 4 ones. Under ones column 4. So the number that is formed is 45308 in the first case and 80094 in the second case. Question 2. Fill in the blanks with correct numerals. This is just the reverse of what we have just done in question 1. If you have understood the question 1, this is self-explanatory for you. Let us look at the answer. 8 10,000s, 6 thousands, 0 hundreds, 7 tens and 5 ones. In the B part, 4 10,000s, 2 thousands, 3 hundreds, 0 tens, 6 ones. Question number 3. Write the number names. The first one, 72230. So first we will put commas according to the Indian number system. For that we will take first 3 digits from the right, that is 0, 3 and 2, and then we'll place a comma. So number will become 72,230 and we will write it as 72,230. The next number, 46512. Again we will put a comma, 46,512, and we will read the number as 46,512. Next one, 70007. Again we will put a comma after the units period. That is 007 is in the units period. So we will separate the units period and the thousands period. Thousands period we have 7 and 0. So we will write it as 70,007. That is separating of numbers on the basis of periods. And then we will read the number and then write it. The number will become 70,007 and it will be read as 70,007. The D part, 39000. Here again we will separate the digits based on the periods. It will become 39,000 and it will be read as 39,000. Question number 4. Write the following numbers in figures. The first one, 94,094. So here we will start writing. Since we are not using the place value chart, we will start writing from the right side. First we will take 94. We will write 94. So this takes care of the units period. Now in this, the hundreds place is not given to us. So there we will write a 0. After that we have 94,000. So we will write 94 there. So the number will become 94,094. Next one we have 7,942. So we will start with 942, which is the units period. First we will write that. Then in the thousands period we have 7. So we will write 7 there. 60,900. Units period we have 900. We will write that. And in the thousands period we have 60,000. So we will place 60 before 900. And the number thus formed will be 60900. This brings us to the end of the worksheet. Let us start place value. For understanding place value, let us take an example. The number that I have taken is 80526. Let me spread it out and write. So here I have written ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 on top of this. 6 is in the ones place. 2 is in the tens place. 5 is in the hundreds place. 0 in the thousands place. And 8 in the 10,000 place. So if I ask you to tell me the place value of a particular digit, you don't have to draw this entire table. Let's take an example here. Let's find the place value of the digit 8. So you will write the number. If you have to find the place value of 8, you will write 8 as it is, and all the other numbers on the right of 8, we will convert them to 0. Like this. So this gives us the place value of 8. And there are two ways of writing it, in figures and in words. In figures it is 80,000, and in words we will write it like this, 80,000. When you write the number in figures, do not forget to put the comma there. You know how to put the comma. It is based on the periods. This is all about place value. To understand it better, let us do one worksheet. Welcome to worksheet 4. Question 1. Write the place value of the following figures. 4 in 64122. You will write 4 and all the digits on the right. How many digits do we have? We have 3 digits. So all of them will convert into 0. So it is going to be 4 followed by 3 zeros. Similarly, next question we have 8 in 83456. Next, C part 0 in 46078. Question number 2. Write the place value of the following in words. 2 3s in 83312. Now in this number we have 3 in 2 places. So we have to find the place value of both of them. You will write the first place value and in the next line you will write the next place value. Second one, 2 4s in 64047. Here again the digit 4 is coming twice in this number. So both the place values have to be mentioned. Question 3. Find the sum of the place value of the underlined digits. Now this is one step ahead. The first one 58951 and both the 5s are underlined. So what you have to do, you have to find the place value of both the 5s. I hope you remember how to find the place value. Write the digit and convert all the numbers to its right to zeros. So you will get the two place values of 5, then you will add them and then you will write the answer. The second one, here 74424. The digit 4 is coming 3 times and this means you have to find 3 place values and then add them. So this brings us to the end of this worksheet. I hope by doing these worksheets your concepts get clarified, and in case you are still finding it difficult, do ask me in the comment section. I'll be happy to help. Until we meet again, stay safe, stay happy.